So the first thing we're going to be doing is just tying our hair back. First thing first you want to apply is a primer. I'm going in with a primer. Thereafter going in with a beauty blender to just damp this out all through the skin. Thereafter go in with my eyebrow gel and just lift up my brows. Thereafter I'm just taming them down with the exact same brow gel. Next we are coming up for eyebrows, so I'm taking a thin brush in order to get a neat kind of clean effect on the brows. Now I'm using a thin brush to conceal my eyebrows. Next for the smoky eye, I'm going in with a really rich and deep black. And I'm just working that through my crease and bringing it out at the edge. Now I'm going in with a grey kind of silver glitter. Next I'm going to go up and just clean up the ends. Now I'm going in to curl my lashes. Next we're going in with foundation. I'm just going to apply a little bit everywhere so that it makes it easier to spread. Brightening up my face, I am going in with some translucent powder to bake underneath my eyes so that it gives a whole entire lift on the face. So I try to go in as close to as my eye and then work the rest of the product downwards. While I'm leaving this to set, I'm going in with a little bit of bronzer. Now I'm going back in to dust off all the excess from my face. Now I'm going in with mascara for the bottom. First up, I'm going in to line my lips with a really dark red, more of a maroonish type color. Thereafter, go in with a red. Now it's time for glow. I'm just going to go in my nose. And the last step is to set.